Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Aidehelp 520-piece premium first aid kit. We're going to open it up, go through it, and I'll let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so getting this open, really nice material here. Multiple ways to kind of carry this, depending on what you're looking to do. It can strap on. It does have kind of that ability to kind of just clip on. So if you're putting on a bike or a motorcycle or just a backpack or whatever, a lot of different ways, and then it does clip in there. I don't know why it's not doing it right now. For some reason I'm struggling, so forgive me for that. So anyway, now that that's back on, there's also the ability to kind of clip this onto something as well. So there's multiple clips and or closures, and then you've got the kind of the molly system back here as well. So let's pop this off again to kind of show you if you need to hang stuff from that after it's clamped on. A lot of different ways to use kind of S clips, for example. Something like this can hook onto anything you need, and or again, doing similar in this area would allow it to work, which is great. So the main feature of this thing is obviously not that. It's going to be what's in this thing. So whether you're home, car, travel, school, it is really meant to be a pretty solid first aid kit, and we're going to go through all the pieces now. All right, so first things first, note that this is reflective. I'm sure you can't tell that this is going to reflect, but it does. This pocket up here is just simply a pocket to store stuff, phone, or whatever materials you may or may not need. Once we're ready to kind of open this thing, we're going to go ahead and open it. And I'm not going to go through every single item because there's just so much, but I do want to kind of start you with some of the key components: bandages, tapes, sterilization stuff, gloves, swabs, finger things. So all kinds of materials there. And then this will open again to have ice packs, cooling patches, outdoor and others, they say. So, to give you an idea, there's just so many different pieces and parts to this thing that can allow you to do just a lot, things that flossing you wouldn't even think about, temperature. Like, there's just so much that goes into this kit that it's really pretty awesome. Bandages, sponges, sponges, pads, face masks. Again, this is all going to be kind of easy to access in the situational, masks, iPads, stuff like that. So depending on what your needs are, you can kind of carry some of this stuff. You can avoid carrying this stuff. It's kind of just nicely laid out. This is obviously going to be one of the first things that most people are going to be utilizing is your Band-Aids. So note that they're all in Ziploc or zip style bags. And this is all going to be kind of waterproof exterior right there, but I do believe it would seep through on the other side. Just be aware of that. But really, this thing is just simply awesome to have as kind of like your basic first aid kit to keep in a vehicle, keep on your bicycle, stuff like that. I do a lot of coaching sports, so keeping in kind of like the team bag, having a kit like this is amazing. So to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review gives you an idea of kind of what the capabilities are. Obviously, check the link, the listing, to see exactly what the details are, because there are so many parts and pieces to this. I'm obviously not going to go over it all. I just wanted to give you kind of a quick overview of what it looks like on the interior and how to access all that stuff. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.